Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing fantastically well. So I'm funded with FTMO, and it's always good to share the profit splits that I take, whether they are very, very large or in my cases quite small. Now, this particular funded account I've had for quite a while. I've taken several profit splits in the past, and I've really struggled with this account over the past couple of months. I've also been doing a challenge account with them, and that's been in a massive drawdown, and I've been fighting to get that one out. Has obviously had a negative impact on the rest of my trading because obviously the self-confidence goes a little bit. But I got to a point where the ups and downs of this account was going on for several months, and I had to get to a point where I wanted to take a payout. So I had a session with the FTMO performance coach, and I'd set a goal of the end of that week, taking a payout no matter what it was. Well, I was going to take a $1 payout or a $1,000 payout. Didn't make any difference. I just wanted to clear this account off and reset and start again. Now, as it turned out, last week of the trading was actually okay. I did 1.2% return on the account itself, which was $1,200. By the time I take a 80% profit split, that meant I was getting a payout of, I think, about $965. Convert that into UK sterling when I actually had to pay it into my bank account, and that was just over £760, I believe. So overall, to me, that's not a bad week's work. When you scale it back over the past couple of months where I've actually had this account for, it would have been nice to do it on a weekly basis. The reality was I wasn't in the right headspace and I couldn't trade to my full potential. But the reason why I make these videos and giving evidence and proof of payouts is to show that it is possible to trade with prop firms, do it consistently and get regular returns. Now, yes, it's great to show $10,000, $20,000, and there's lots of people that are doing that. But are they doing it on a regular basis, showing it every single month? Or is it just a boom and bust? Whereas I like to share all the good and all the bad. As you can see, it's quite honest to me to actually show my bank details as well as all the payouts. And it gives that level of trust that you can have in myself, that when I recommend FTMO as a reliable prop firm, you can have confidence that actually they will pay out. And this payout was done on the day of the invoice being raised and no issues whatsoever, and it comes straight into my bank account. So if you are looking for a prop firm, check out the link in the description below for FTMO. I highly recommend them because they have been by far the best one I've ever been funded with. I've had no issues whatsoever. The technology is great, the support is great, and the best part about it is they do pay out on time and had no issues ever. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you again very soon. Cheers.